Going on YouTube? David here, back with another little video here. I'm going to break these open. I went to try to get some Bowman because I'm really looking for trying to get some Vladimir Guerrero cards. I'm not sure, I haven't checked if they're in any of these, but they're all out of Bowman, so I picked up a $10 hanger box and a $20 Gypsy Queen box. So we're going to break that open now, see what we can get. Get some plastics ready. Pretty much any rookie cards I put in plastics just because you just never know, a year or two down the road. You really just don't know if they'll pan out or not, so let's just have some ready. Alright, this is 50 cards, 2 on average. Alright. There's Alex Bregman, one of my main PCs right there. Alright, we have Wade Davis. Oh, there's an Aaron Judge right up bot. There's our rated rookie, Dennis Santana. JD Martinez. Yadimir Molina. Cody Bellinger. Danny John, George Springer, Reese Hoskins, Archer, another rated rookie, Justin Turner, Juan Soto I like, Dakota Hudson, Eddie Rosario, he's tearing stuff up, Joey Votto's tearing stuff up, Chris Bryant, another rookie card. I want to say this is an SP variation, is why it was in here. I'm going to have to look at that. Josh James, rookie. Martinez, Javier Baez. Jose Martinez. Pence, Bryce Wolf, Matthew Boyd, Matt Chapman, Juan Soto. Name variation there. I was gonna say, I thought I had one already. Bueller's Day Off. Ohtani, there's another one of my PCs. Josh James, rookie. The video doesn't freeze. Aaron Nola, Christian Yelich, and Bregman. So yeah, not too bad of a pack for $10. I'll have to go real quick. I'll wait till I'm. This video, I don't know. I have great download speed, but my upload speed stinks. So I have to call them and ask them. See if there's a way to change that. Orange and diamond parallels. I don't know. Oh yeah, those are the oranges. Those would be the diamonds, maybe. Alright. Here's the packs. Let's go ahead and open first. Anything thick? No, nothing thick. Could be an auto. Could be an auto. Hoping it is. Alex Gordon, Sean Newcomb, Garcia Shaw. Nothing too special out of that pack. Rafael Devers, Swanson, Verlander, Tim Beckman, Acuna. I like that, Acuna. Here's a rookie card. Wow, you can barely see that RC up there. Oh, man, you can't hardly see that RC. That is faint. So we got here Paul Seamer, Andrew McCutcheons, Nico Goodrum, and Mikey. I have to do some baseball breaks here in a little bit. Brett Phillips. Oh, there's a no-name rookie card. Dennis Santana. No name. Raul Mondesi. Alberto, whatever his name is, changed it. Felix Hernandez, Chris Sale. We had a fortune teller of Javier Baez. Rookie card, Steven Duggar, whatever. Schwarmbers, Jose Altuve, Didi. Well, I don't know. I'm supposed to get a auto or relic in every box, but I haven't got one yet. Ellis Andrews, Kramer, Lopez. Oh no, parallel cards. No guaranteed auto. It just comes with a special pack now. Well, that stinks. So let's go to these. I think it was 300 or higher to be a... Man, they sure make this for blind people. You can't see none of these numbers. Well, on to the special pack. Jose Martinez. Kyle Freeland. He might pan out. I think he's one of their top prospects. Well, that was a pretty disappointing 2 boxes. I should have just spent $30 on some other cards, but I didn't have any of the... A couple years ago I did baseball or football and hit a Mitchell Trubisky rookie auto, which was amazing. I mean, this seemed better than those. Joey Votto. Yep, guess that's it. 11 minutes. I'll package these all up. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll pack the rest of these subscribers. I can start doing that. Put money right back into the channel. So, yep. You guys have a good one and good luck. Hopefully you have better than me, better than I did. So